So you scroll on TikTok and now you want to try the trend of baked oats with something crunchy, something peanut buttery and chocolatey. Or you want to just impress somebody. Well, let's take a look right now. And it all starts with this magical box of Magic Spoon peanut butter flavored cereal. And if you want to support this channel so I can keep making videos just like this, then find that QR code, scan it, and buy a box. So we're gonna make some cereal milk with that cereal. So add some milk in that saucepan of yours. And what we're doing here is just adding in the cereal and just kind of simmering that cereal in some warm milk as that heats up. That will help to release a lot of their flavor in that milk. Another way to do this will be to just soak the cereal in that milk for about 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Just have that soggy cereal. Do what you want with the cereal and then use the milk. But I've always enjoyed cereal with warm milk, and that flavor is unlike anything else. So once that has simmered for a few minutes, just let it sit off the heat. And now here is our delicious cereal milk ready to go in our blender full of ingredients. And March 7th is cereal day, so check out the hashtag cereal party for a fun cereal focused collab. And I'll just add the rest of the ingredients for the base besides the chocolate chips, and then blend it until it's really nicely combined. Pour it all into a baking dish that's greased lightly with some spray olive oil or some butter, and then mix in some chocolate chips. I'll reserve the rest for later at the end. Bake it at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, take it out, more chocolate chips, go right in there, and now just finish baking. And now that it's ready, just garnish it up with some chocolatey peanut butter. This one over here is from Nuts and More, 65% dark chocolate and some amazing peanut butter. And then a bit of cereal for that extra crunch. And this is a fun, exciting way to have something that's crunchy, chocolatey, peanut buttery, and oatmeal. And it's a really cool, delicious way to have oats. And in case you all want to try another fun oatmeal recipe, then check out my s'mores oatmeal.